Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, the channel where we dissect and explore the latest gadgets to help you make informed choices. Today, we've got a sleek and efficient combo that's bound to simplify your computing experience, the Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Stick around, as we dive deep into its features and see why this could be your next favorite tech accessory. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our tech reviews. The Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard and mouse combo is here to revolutionize the way you work and play on your computer. With an impressive list of features, it's designed to make your computing life easier. Let's start with design. This combo, dressed in stylish black, exudes a professional vibe. The keyboard, featuring stainless steel material, feels robust and durable, while the low-profile keys offer a comfortable and quiet typing experience. Setting up this combo is a breeze. Simply insert the nano USB receiver, cleverly stored at the back of the mouse, into your computer. That's it. You're ready to use the keyboard and mouse instantly. Plus, the best part? You only need one USB receiver for both devices, saving a valuable USB port on your computer. Now, let's talk battery life. The Arteck combo boasts a rechargeable lithium battery with an impressive capacity. You can go a whopping 6 months on a single charge with the keyboard and 4 months with the mouse, assuming you use them for 2 hours non-stop daily. That's some impressive stamina. Ergonomics are essential for long hours of work, and Arteck gets it right. The keyboard offers full-size keys, including arrow keys and a number pad, ensuring comfortable typing. The mouse, too, is ergonomically designed to reduce stress and enhance comfort during extended use. But wait, there's more. The mouse features a DPI switch, allowing you to adjust the cursor's speed, tailored to your preference. Plus, quick access to common functions like volume control and text copy-paste is at your fingertips with dedicated hotkeys. Who can benefit from this combo? Well, it's compatible with laptops and personal computers, making it versatile for both work and play. Whether you're a creative professional or a casual user, this combo's got you covered. In conclusion, the Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard and mouse combo is a game-changer for those seeking a stylish, ergonomic, and efficient computing solution. With easy setup, long battery life, and an industry-leading ergonomic design, it's a win-win for your workspace. And don't forget, it comes with our friendly 24-month warranty, ensuring peace of mind. That wraps up our review today on UK Pro Reviewer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Have any questions or want us to review specific products? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.